What's going on, world? It's your boy Bobito PK, also known as Mr. PK Unlaced, and I got another unboxing for you guys. I mean, keeping it in the sense of Air Maxes, and Air Max Day was kind of pushed back, but was a disappointment, honestly, if you ask me. It's like we didn't really have too much of a release of anything. I mean, Jordan and Air Jordan 3s, but that's about it, right? So I think this is the actual drop that was supposed to happen on Air Max Day, but they just couldn't get enough like produced in time. So let me just get right to it. Oh man, see that? Whew. On air. Seoul, London, Paris, Tokyo, NYC, and I got longitudes and lats. Let me get that. Comes with a postcard. Digging them so far. Air Max 98s. NYC entry. Gabby Cervino's piece. Seriano, Cervino. I apologize if I mispronounced it, but dope. Just the materials alone. Distressed leather. You can kind of feel it. And you can see it. The actual build of it. It was well thought out. But inscribed on the sides. Longitudes and lats. NYC. Comes with 2 different color laces. No lace pack. Soles are actually dope too. Get this. Let's see. The inside of that. I mean, out of a couple entries, this is one of the dopest pairs if you ask me, but it might be because I'm NYC biased. They also had the Soul pair, which is like blue, red, and black 9/7 with a reflective swoosh. Tokyo Maze pair, which is an Air Max 1, and it actually looks like a crossword maze, but it's pretty dope. They had the 9/7s for London, and that was a different colorway. Green, blue, orange. Paris had a Vapor Max pair. I haven't heard too much noise about it. That Shanghai pair, the 9/7s, that's like an ice blue with some kind of shoot, I can't even say. I want to say it was like, nah, I'm not even going to get into that, because that Shanghai pair is pretty dope too. And I think that's the biggest seller that's on StockX right now. That's the money maker. You know, all you people who are chasing dollars and shit like that. Well, things like that, sorry. But these right here, fire pickup to add to the collection. Even got clear soles. And you can see the differences in material. There's a lot of detail that went into the shoe. I like how it looks when the light hits it. See that? Hey, did you guys end up in the trying to get that shock drop that happened the other day? Well, apparently Nike Sneakers decided to have a surprise shock drop of the Air Jordan Retro 4, and some way it kind of had some good luck, some really didn't. It was a really bad glitch. And Nike cannot really do anything about that. It's sad. Even I got caught up in a glitch. But to all the people who did actually get those successfully, congrats. Original release date for those will be May the 4th. And I'll double check that and I'll add that number down here somewhere. But dope. Also, they just announced, since we're on the topic of breads, an Air Jordan 1 bread colorway that's gonna come out in November. I don't know, might be too soon to start like dropping this information. Just let sneakers roll out peacefully. But you're telling me all the way in November I can start waiting for my 85 looking Air Jordans? What are you doing? Just like slinging crack in front of children all day. You guys are horrible, shameful sneakers. But would that be on your list? I know it's on mine. Jordan Mag in the background. I mean, what more do you want me to do? Also, see this merch. Anybody that was asking about this shirt, I'm gonna have it online, and that link will be active starting Friday. www.privatekicks.com, and that's kicks with an S, not a Z. You understand how that goes. Anywho, I'm gonna put all that information down here and roll it across so you guys actually get it in. You know, let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. What fit would you rock? Would you cop these? Would you cop the other pairs? Which ones did you get? Don't tell me no sneaker horror story like you ain't get one. But I told you guys, just let me know. I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's your boy Babito PK, also known as Mr. PK Unlaced, coming at you for privatekicks.com. And catch you on the next one. Be easy.